Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. It's been over a week and a half since my last worm videos. I've got a new schedule at work, so I've been running behind. Today's video, I'm going to show all three red wigglers, European night crawlers, and African night crawlers. Start off with a Worm Factory 360 and the red wigglers. Got a light set up because it is getting ready to storm outside. Seems like we've had a ton of rain. Now this tray was on bottom and trying to let the worms work through it and migrate down. Looks like we still got a few in it. Go ahead and check this next tray. And the middle tray got a few worms on top. Looks like some castings. Looks like they've been working through this food. Still got some cardboard in there. Let's see what this bottom tray looks like. Bottom tray looks like mainly castings now. Still got some worms in there working through the material. Be a good time to go ahead and start a new tray. Try to bait them out of these. Yeah, the bottom doesn't look too bad. This is our castings. Our cup we're trying to bait them out with. Let's see if we got any worms in there. There's a few. Oh yeah. There we go. Quite a few worms down in there, down in the cup. A few worms in there. Little group there. See what we got in here. Some worms. Just kind of spread out, it looks like. Well, there's a banana peel there. Looks like they're working it over pretty good. That one doesn't look like it was frozen, so not working on it as much. Lots of worms. And we'll move on to the European night crawlers and the urban worm bag. Surprised there's not any climbing, especially since it's pouring raining outside. Alright, let's take a look. I'd say they've probably gone through all the food. The banana there. Couple of little babies in there. Couple of bigger ones. So they've still got food. Still got nanners. Yeah, we'd put the whole bananas in there. And they're wearing it out.
Yep, definitely tearing that banana up. So cover it back up.
Next up, we'll look at the African night crawlers and the Burmy bag mammoth. Take a look on the coffee side first. Definitely looks like we got some worms on top in the coffee grounds. A few here and there. Not gonna bug these too much. Just wanna. Can definitely smell the coffee on top still. I have gone through it a little bit. I'm not gonna dig around in there. Take a look over here on this side that we had our bananas inside this 30 count egg carton. Got a little baby right on top there. It does appear that they have gone through it pretty good. Starting to break down the egg carton some. Quite a few worms in there. Some babies. It does look like they've gone through it pretty good. Just finishing up on it. Little tiny ones. We'll take a peek in on the African nightcrawler cocoon only bin that we got the cocoons from the crazy worm lady. See if we got any babies. Couple of little ones, little bitty things. There's one there on the side. They are hatching. There's a nice little group. There must have been where the food was. Oh yeah, all the food on that side. There we go. Nice little group. Baby African night crawlers. Alright, looks like a lot of them have hatched since last update. Nice. Just a quick little update. I'm still not sure if I'm going to try to get back on regular schedule. Working days now is a big change for me. I do appreciate you watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.